Hi, if you're watching this video, you are probably a singer who struggles singing with power and passion without strain or losing your voice. You likely watch tons of tutorials on YouTube, which could be even more confusing because everyone says something different. If this sounds like you, then stay tuned because I'm about to share with you the number one issue why most singers still cannot sing with power without strain. Well, first of all, why you should listen to me, because I'm not just a passionate singer who tries to explain the sensation of how to sing. I'm a professional mindset and vocal coach for over 15 years. I have students and clients from 5 continents, from over 30 countries and 100 cities. My main field is the rock and metal extraordinary vocal sound effects. How to project your heart, your soul, your passion into your singing without losing your voice. I haven't lost my voice over 12 years and I sing and teach every single day. So, the number one reason why most singers still struggle with singing with power but without strain is because most people think that singing with volume and power equals shouting. And it doesn't require a technique, but that's wrong. But nowadays what you do, if you don't know something, you just go to YouTube and look for tutorials. But the problem is with these tutorials that most people who you see on YouTube are not professional vocal coaches. They are singers or screamers and they try to explain how they figured it out. But most of the time they don't even use the correct terms, the correct sensation, and you rely on them. But if you are a professional singer, or if you want to be a professional singer, you cannot rely on YouTube videos forever. Those videos won't give you feedback. They're not gonna check you if you do something correctly or not. So if you keep practicing that, you're very likely you're going to practice it in a wrong way and you are going to end up losing your voice. So if you feel like you need help, coaching or guidance and you're ready to move on to the next step, then please click on the link below or above and book your free consultation where we can have a personal chat online or in person depending on where you are, and I can help you and I can show you how to get from here to here the easiest way is possible. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, follow or subscribe. Bye bye.